guys, welcome to week 2 of the Seed2Seed CSA for fall 2019. First thing, we do have a little letter in here, so you'll want to check out that. We have oyster mushrooms in abundance this week. We have a kale blend for your salad mix. We are also doing edible flowers. We have marigolds and we have Thai basil flowers. We have our meal starter, which has we found various other things in here like tomatoes, basil, squash, tomatoes, small tomatoes, peppers. Assume all peppers are hot. Some of them are yellow, some of them are red, but they are all hot. And we also have the mini eggplants again. Some of you will have green beans in there, the duo green beans. And then this week we also have the last of our Kholrobi. We have okra. And that is it for this week. Don't forget to check out the recipe links in the description. And if you haven't given us a like and a subscribe on this channel, please do that now. We really appreciate that. In fact, share it with a friend, share it on Facebook or Instagram. We would really appreciate that. Thanks again. Have a good week.